Hello, everyone. It's great to see you back on this wonderful Monday, and I hope you had a wonderful half-term break. 2 weeks, it flew by, but we had the glorious weather, which I hope you enjoyed. It's now our final half-term of the year, summer two, and it's a really enjoyable one, this one, where our fruits of the year come to fruition, and all the learning that we've had over the last year comes to an end, and we move on year groups and have transition, sports day, lots to go on. And I think today's assembly and the core value we're going to talk about is really important as we look forward to this term. Let's have a bit of a practice of our welcome. So, good morning, everyone. Fantastic. I hope you were a bit louder than last time. And if you do need to pause staff at any point during this, please just press the pause button and let the children practice. As you've seen, our assembly today is on resilience. And that's one of our core values. And the core value you'll be working towards for our Friday Good News Assembly. But what does it mean to be resilient? It's a word you probably heard quite a lot. And I know Mr. Doan stood up at the front of assemblies before in years gone by and spoken about this word. And I know your teachers as well have spoken about this word. The picture here on the bottom of the screen, just moving my mouse to circle, is a good example of what resilience is. We can see there, got a man or a woman, a boy or a girl trying to push something up this mountain. Very, very difficult, pushing that big red ball up that mountain. But that person did not give up. They followed their dreams. They worked hard to succeed. They believed in themselves. And then they achieved their goal. And resilience is linked to our school motto, believe, achieve, succeed. About never giving up and always, always pushing to be as successful as you can be. Going to read our school mantra. And after last time, Mr. Doan is going to try and slow down. I know I did this with year 6 last time and it was a little bit quick. If you do need to pause staff, please do. Let's give it a go. Each day is a new beginning. We work together to reach our goals. Friendship and fun create happiness. We all play our special role. Teachers, parents, and children unite to help us learn the things we need. Together, we can make a difference, ensuring we all succeed. Believe, achieve, succeed. Well done, everyone. It's great to hear that mantra back in school and to hear you all saying it and understanding it as well. Again, just a reminder about our core value. We did look at passion last time. Teachers, if you want to pause now and ask the children what passion means, what passion is, who's shown passion over half term, it'd be great to start building on these core values and our children knowing them inside out. But this week, we're going to be looking at resilience. And you can see under each core value, it has a short explanation. Always trying our best and never giving up. Being determined, self-controlled, and courageous. And that key part is never giving up. It's so important. Year 5 and 6s, at the end of this week, you'll be going into Robin Wood, and you're going to have to face some of your fears. Not just, pupils, but teachers as well. Never, ever give up. So, so important. So, are you resilient? Have a bit of thinking time now. Do you give up too easily? Do you never give up? Do you always bounce back? Spring back into shape? Just have a think. Have a discussion with your partner. Okay. So resilience is linked very closely with teamwork. Teamwork is working together. And sometimes we need teamwork to be resilient because we can't always do things on our own. Sometimes tasks are too big to do on our own. And we do need teamwork to support each other. It might be as a football team where you want to score a goal and not give up. That's teamwork. It might be in your class, trying to work something out, a challenge your teacher has led you to, a mathematical problem, or some map work in geography, or understanding the idea of a religion or a group that follow a religion. Teamwork is so important to be resilient and working together. So how might we be resilient in class? And how can we work as a team? What can you do over this next week to be resilient in yourself, but also as your team, as a class? What can you do? I'm going to play now a short video linked to teamwork and linked to resilience. I'm going to show you what good teamwork looks like and maybe what not so good teamwork looks like. Let's have a watch. Oh no, unfortunately, the video wasn't working great there. So let me see if I can just find another version of it. Okay, what I will do, teachers, I'll pop that video into the email so you can play that link at that point. Do apologise. We love technology, don't we? Okay, let's continue. So we saw the two versions of teamwork then. Good teamwork, bad teamwork. How working together, working as a team, we can actually achieve things we never thought we could do. And we can see here that teamwork doesn't mean that we can succeed. It's about working together and communicating with teamwork. And that's where using our core values, resilience and teamwork, are really, really important parts. We can see here, this is really for the Key Stage 2 and Upper Key Stage 2, just to have a look, that actually we talk about success and achieving and believing in yourself. And it's not easy. It's not as simple as just that straight line of just achieving. It actually goes on a journey, and that journey is never, ever easy. That journey takes lots of different twists and turns. There's ups and downs. We sometimes have to go into that learning pit, but we can get there if we believe in ourselves and we work really, really hard. Okay, what helps you to be resilient in school? Well, not getting distracted by others, having that goal and that focus. And when you set a challenge, not going, I can't do it yet. Having that growth mindset about believing in yourself. Noticing areas that maybe you're not strong at and asking teachers to support you with that. Asking support staff in class if you can do a small intervention on that. Not being put off by difficulties. There's lots of difficulties in life. Lots and lots. You're going to come against lots of different battles and lots of different challenges. It's about overcoming them challenges and actually feeling better in yourself when you do overcome them. We are going to finish with a song. But before I go, going to be looking at your resilience this week, and I'm excited to see how this develops in yourselves, and you talking to your teachers, talking at home about resilience and how you are being more resilient this week. And I can't wait for our core value winners at the end of the week. Have a wonderful week, guys. It's going to be a good one. I really, really know it is. Okay, keep believing, achieving and succeeding in yourself. But we're not going to end a Monday Assembly without, you guessed it, it's time for a song, and it's a new one this time, one of my favourites. It is I Lift My Hands Up. I have got it on my computer screen here, however, because of the internet, I think it's because my computer's so warm, because as you can see, I'm sat outside, it's not working. Okay, so staff, if you go onto the drive onto assemblies, the all staff drive and assemblies, in music assembly, you will see I Lift My Hands Up. I'm going to play you a little snippet of it before I go. If it does work, we'll carry on playing. If not, onto the system and have a great day. Oh, I think it might be working. I think we might be on.
feel your love. So let it shine, let the whole world see. This is the day that you made for me. I won't let someone take away the love you gave me. Knowing what you've done, every day my heart will say, I lift my hands up, I wanna stand up, I wanna tell the world you set me free. I wanna thank you, I wanna praise you. It's so amazing what you've done for me. You will be there when the morning breaks. You will be there for me every day. I'm gonna dance, let the whole world see. I will rejoice for the love you bring. I won't let someone take away the love you gave me. Knowing what you've done, every day my heart will say, I lift my hands up, I wanna stand up, I wanna tell the world you set me free. I wanna thank you, I wanna praise you. It's so amazing what you've done for me. I won't let someone take away the love you gave me. Knowing what you've done, every day my heart will say, I lift my hands up, I wanna stand up, I wanna tell the world you set me free. I wanna thank you, I wanna praise you. It's so amazing what you've done for me. With my hands, I will tell the world you set me free. Give you thanks. So amazing what you've done for me. With my hands, I will tell the world you set me free. Give you thanks. So amazing what you've done for me.
Saying bye-bye. Oh, it's just woken up. Bye-bye, everyone.